detail for you too.
Say something for the vlog.
Yeah, big man, big man, big man.
Hey. Anyone want to buy his R32? Let me know.
So we're selling the R32. We gotta get something else in time.
She got options, but she chooses. Oh, we both have a GTR. I forgot you have a GTR.
Which skateboard?
You're really gonna drive it? Okay, she's gonna drive Coda's 240 right now.
Okay.
Could have took the GTR, but
She chose.
alright, see you later. Here we go.
Another one for
Chop the cheese site. Go. You're small though, so it doesn't matter. Alright, let's do this. Hey, you good back there, bro?
Yeah, I got plenty.
You got full interior with roll cage.
I've never driven a drift car.
Alright, well, you're about to find out.
Oh, yabo! It's so like light.
Yeah, I know, it's super responsive. Press the gas all the way. Press it all the way. Shift. We made it to the grocery store. Here goes the welded diff. We all forgot our mask?
I
How?
have it in the car.
Go get it. You have one for me? You don't even have your own, huh?
No, I have one.
Alright, looks like I'm wearing my shirt over my face. Going in shirtless. How do you feel?
It's scary.
It's scary?
Yeah.
It's just like a regular car, but it
No,
has,
it's not.
it's just really loud and has a welded diff. It's probably not supposed to be on the
Oh,
streets.
babe, look.
Oh, we got one. Your car's officially a grocery getter. Hey, look at my hair. Alright.
Don't look at my hair.
Snoop Dogg getting bored out here.
I
Flying
should
now.
support his.
You gonna do it? You should.
Yeah, I'm gonna support it.
Hey, you'll be the like 5th person who's bought one. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got diapers for you, Coda.
Thanks, man. I needed that.
Dang, why is your trunk so heavy, fool? You sure you don't want to wear this, babe? Your Bolso helmet? It's a bike helmet. Pretty much, that's what they wear.
Why is your steering wheel sideways? This is fine.
Why don't you fix your steering wheel?
I put Momo instead of Nardi.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you just have to take it off the hub. Alright, let's count the money inside.
Josh will go over the paperwork.
I see the transporter. Big rig. She's going home, guys. Gonna miss this one.
Y'all feel it? Oh.
Alright, it's the last time I'm gonna see this thing. later. More bad decision making. The homie hit me up and asked me if I wanted to buy his rhino, and $5,000? Of course I want it. Yeah, but he's coming by. He's gonna drive it by right now. I told him I'm giving $5,000 for it right now because these things, they go for quite a lot of money and we need something for the land. So let's see if he really does pull up. I'm just chilling in the studio and he's like, I'm coming by right now. So let's see. I hear him. So this is it. Yeah, so this thing is animal.
Pretty sad.
New wheels, tires. Why do I need this?
You don't.
I don't. Here's the money.
Alright, good luck.
What you think, buddy? Let's go jump. I'm gonna go bring this thing to land. Ah. Dude, that looks cool.
Yes. What you have? You got wheel?
So super spontaneous. I just found it. I'm gonna go look at it right now. It's you know what? I'm not even gonna say it. We'll see it when we get there.